All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about insights, Facebook Insights. So basically, what that is a way for you to see what kind of interaction that you're getting with your fans. So it's a statistical look at kind of a behind-the-scenes look at who's posting, how often you're posting, who's looking at those posts, who's interacting, sharing those posts. So if you look at this page here, you can see on the right over here it says View Old Insights. So they've changed and they recently have a new layout for Insights. And normally it would appear over here on the left-hand side here under your profile pic. But because I don't actually have any insights, because I don't have any interaction with only myself liking this and talking about this, then I don't have any insights. So if you see down here like this is how many people, how many fans or how many likes that you have, and then talking about this is how many people are sharing it, interacting with it, liking it, commenting on it, recommending it. Okay, those are the talking about. So I'm going to use another one of my Facebook pages to show you insights for that page. So if we go over to bars and bartending here, okay, you see you still have view old insights here on the right hand side, but if I scroll down, I also have them available here. So these are the new insights, okay, and I want to just click on this, and this is only visible to the admins. Okay, so here it shows you a bunch of statistics about your page, okay, and you want to use this information to find out what is working and what isn't working, and to increase obviously the things that are working and then cut out the things that are not working. So we'll just start over here. You can export all of this data, okay, and you can do it by date. So if you click export data, then you can do it by the page level, okay, or the post level. So each individual post, as your page gets larger and larger, maybe page level data is too large for you, and then you can select the format that you want to export it in, and then the date range, okay, and you can only go back to July 19th here because Insights wasn't available before that. Okay, so you can keep a month-to-month running total here, or export data from month to month to find out exactly how each of your efforts are doing on your Facebook page. Okay, so I'm not going to download this, but we'll just run through some of the features here. Okay, we have total likes. Okay, and if you'll see that they're pretty helpful about explaining what each of these things are. Okay, so if you look here, there's a little question mark, and you can read what each thing is. Okay, so total likes, the number of unique people who like your page. So the people that have clicked like to get into your page. Okay, and then it shows you this arrow, and it tells you whether it's up or down from the last period. So it shows you basically a month, okay, or sorry, a week. This one's showing a week, 120 to 126, and then the friends of fans. Okay, this is the number of unique people who were friends with people who liked your page as of 123. So you have this page has 1,014 people that like it, and then this number is the total of all of their friends. Okay, so I have the ability to reach this many people. If all of these people here, 1,014 people, posted something about my page on their wall and it showed up in their newsfeed, then it would reach 484,623 people. Okay, and then the people talking about this, we kind of discussed the number of unique people who have created a story about your page. And then a story is created when someone likes your page, posts to your page wall, likes, comments on, or shares one of your page posts, answers a question you posted, responds to your event, mentions your page, tags your page in a photo, checks in at your place if you have a local business using check-ins, or recommends your place. Okay, and then the weekly total reach. Okay, and again, it shows it whether it's up or down over the last week. Weekly total reach is the number of unique people who have seen any content associated with your page from this date to this date, okay, and includes ads if you're running any ads or sponsored stories. Okay, those are a different form of an ad. Okay, so people that you have reached with your content from your page. Okay, and then we have posts, people talking about this, and weekly total. And obviously you want the graph to be moving up. Okay, and down here this post shows how many posts per day that you've made. Okay, the larger the bubble, then the more posts that were made. Okay, as you can see, I am not consistent, which is not a good thing. I should be consistent across the board here, but I'm very busy, and I don't always get around to posting on my page. Okay, and then you can see here the interaction that your posts get, your individual posts. Okay, so you can choose the post types. Okay, let's say it's just a post, or you're looking at just photos or links, and you're trying to figure out which one of these things have done the best, which one has engaged users and reached the most people. Okay, and you can filter by date, by post, reach, engaged users, the amount of people talking about this, and the virality. So reach is the number of unique people who have seen your post, and it says click on the number to see more details. Figures are for the first 28 days after a post publication only. Okay, and then I can click by reach here, and then it will sort down by reach if I'd like. And then engaged users, the number of unique people who have clicked on your post. Click on the number to see more details, and then again figures are for the first 28 days. So the number of unique people who have clicked on your post. Okay, I've looked and clicked on a post, and again I can sort by engaged users. And then talking about this, we already discussed above. And virality, the percentage of people who have created a story from your page post out of the total number of unique people who have seen it. Okay, so basically that means creating a story is some type of interaction, right? So these people, it's a percentage of all the people that have seen it and then have actually taken some type of action on that post. Okay, so the higher this number, the better you are. And again, you can focus just on virality as well. Okay, so you can look at all of these different breakdowns, and it shows you how many people are talking about each of these posts. It shows whether it's just a post, it's a link, it's a picture, okay, it's a video, and you can see what kind of interaction you're getting, and then move towards using more of the ones that you're getting a lot more interaction for and less of the ones that aren't getting a lot of interaction. So if you start asking a lot of questions and you find that a lot of people start talking about it, then you want to start asking a lot more questions. Same thing with photographs. So for example, this one here is the world according to a barman. Okay, and this was a picture. Okay, here's a little highlight. This was a picture of different alcohols around like a sketched up map. Okay, so by virality, it's got 4.82%. It means that out of the people that saw it, almost 5% of the people that actually saw that picture had some type of interaction with the picture. Okay, so pictures, or at least that picture, is doing very well. Okay, and then next are some videos that were shared. Okay, they had a lot of shares along them. So I want to focus, by looking at this, it tells me that I want to focus my efforts on photographs and movies and links. Okay, so it goes photograph, movie, link, photograph, or movie, photograph, link are the top 6. So that's what it tells me that I want to focus on for my business. Okay, and you can go down to older posts to see them as well. And if you check here, just here, this shows how many people. So 1,014 people like this page, and 33 people are talking about it. And it might seem kind of low, but if you look at other pages, the percentage, the average percentage for people talking about this for even the larger pages, so Lady Gaga, Justin Bieber, Coca-Cola, Starbucks, okay, Eminem, and even marketing, so Ryan Dice or Amy Porterfield or Amari Smith, okay, these people are all involved in internet marketing. Their rates of conversation here are only around 1 to 2%, and I've seen it maybe as high as 7 or 10%. If there's some type of a contest or something going on, then it gets a lot more people talking about it. So try to get at least 1% of people talking about your page. Okay, and that's where you start building up your fan base a lot quicker. Okay, so that's it for the insights video. Again, make sure that you're always checking the insights because it's very, very helpful to figure out what's working on your page and what's not. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.